What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this quick video, let's learn how to create a callout view. So in this exercise, we're going to create a callout view of a section to display more detail. So let's say, for example, you are designing electrical plans for a multi-story building and you need to create a callout view to show wall-mounted electrical panels in more detail than is shown by the building section. Okay, so let's do this quick video. So from the project browser, I'm gonna open the section 18 here. Double click that. To create your call out, since it has something to do with view, you can find it on the view tab. Look for the create panel and then you can now see there your call out tool. Okay, so it creates a rectangular call out in the view. So you now have a clue. It's rectangular. So meaning to create this one, you just need to click 2 points to create the call out. So let's click this. And let's say these are the panels. I want to create a separate view for these panels here. So I want to create a call out. So I'm going to pick 2 points. Here's my first point, 1. And then I'm going to pick another point here, 2. That's it. So as you create that one, automatically it will create here a view, which is this one. So if you are not sure what is the name of the call out that you just created, just hover your pointer, do not click. And then you can see the name there is views, detail view, detail 0. So that's the name of the view, detail 0. Or you can also check your status bar here. So hover your pointer and then look at the status bar. You see this one? There you go. And then look at the status bar. So it says there, views, detail view, detail 0. So this is the one that we are talking about. So you can click your call out and then if you want, you can adjust the boundary of the call out that you are creating. Okay. You can adjust that one. Even the call out head, you can adjust that. Okay. You can adjust your call out like this, and then you can made it like this one. Okay, so it's up to you. How do you want your call out to be look like when you place it on your section view or your floor plan view? Okay, so after that, the reason why before that, the reason why your detail number here and then the sheet number is disabled or there's no information here, it's because the call out that we created, which is detail 0, is not yet inserted inside the sheet or inside the title block. So that's the reason why there is no detail here. Okay, so let me open the call out. So you can click the call out, right click, and then you can select here go to view. Another way to open your call out is by clicking outside first to make sure no elements is selected, and then double click this call out head here. Double click that and it will open up your call out, or just simply double click from here from the project browser. So there's now our call out. So you can adjust that, can adjust your call out. There you go. And then you can also change the scale here if you want. And then you can also change here the visual style, shaded. You can also change here the discipline, coordination. That's the coordination view, but since this is an electrical view, so let me just change it back again to electrical discipline. Okay, this one and then this one. There you go. All right. So that's how you create a call out, and then from here you can now add some more details. You can add text, you can add detailing tools for you to be able to add more information on your call out. Now the next thing that we will be doing is I'm going to open the sheet here, which is E601 panel schedules. So just double click that. So here's my panel schedule sheet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to insert the call out that I have created, which is the detail 0. So let me expand this one. So there's my detail 0. So for you to be able to place this view inside the sheet, you just need to drag and drop. Hold your left click on that view and then drag it inside, just like that. And then you can now place it, for example, somewhere here, like that. And then you will notice there's a color blue now here. So previously it's only white color, but since you already inserted this view inside the sheet, so it becomes blue, so that you will be aware that this view is already inserted to a certain sheet if there's a color blue there. Okay, so now if I'm going to change the scale of this, you can go to the callout again, and then you can change the scale. Let's say, for example, 1 is to 25. Okay, and then if I go back again to the panel sheet, so it's now changed here. So let me just adjust this one. Adjust like that. And then you can click the viewport so you can drag it. If you want to change, or if you only want to move the label here, just click the label and then you can drag that, right? Okay, you can reposition. Now, if you are going to move your view as well as your detail here, okay, this title, you need to click the viewport. Okay, click the viewport and then you can now drag that. Okay, or you can use the arrow on your keyboard to move it little by little. So you can move that. If you want to resize your title here, okay, just click the viewport again, and then you can see the blue color there, that node. You can use that to drag and to resize your view title. Okay, so if you want to change the name of your view here, do not change from here. Okay, do not change that view name. You need to change the sheet name here. This one here, this one. Click this, and then you can change here the title on sheet. Okay, you can add. So for example, this is my panel or electrical panels. Electrical panels. Okay, and then apply, and there you go. And then you click this, then just adjust it. Okay, so that's still the name, but if you want to change only the view name, you need to click the viewport on the sheet, and then you can change from here. Okay, you can change there the view name here, this one, title on sheet. Okay, not the view name. If you change the view name, it will change the view name here. But if you want to change the view name on the title sheet or on the title block, so you can use this tool or this option, title on sheet. Okay, now if we are gonna open again our section 18, you will notice there's already now the label here. Okay, so there's now your label. Let me just move it here. Okay, so that means the call out for this area here can be found on E601 sheet and detail number 1. So if you go to panel schedule to E601, just double click that, that's the sheet number, and then here's the detail number 1. All right, okay, so hopefully this one is clear. So that's it for this simple exercise of creating your call out. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.